Yep.
Three bills. One more time. Six. The mythical 600. With the 338 ARC. Now, that's my second shot. First I couldn't tell where it went. I'm trying to use my mil dots and do a little mental math, but I'm going to try it again. I know I bitched about Bear Creek. I'm going to say that right now. It takes a 6.5 Grendel magazine, and in my haste to come out here, I grabbed the wrong magazine, so it doesn't eject really well. So no fault against this. Sad to say, but you know, like I said, I like Bear Creek. So that being said, let's try 600 one more time. If I can remember my mil dots. Yay, I did it. Stand by for the debrief. I'm pretty effing jacked about this, so hang on, I'll be back.
Got it.
Yeah, good job.